Is Windows failing to load because of the Msrtedit library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we start the Msrtedit library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Msrtedit library, the Microsoft Rich Text Edit module, v4.1. It manages the unmanaged rendering of rich text.rtf content. It facilitates the orchestration of visual manifests for stylized text, including paragraph formatting and OLE object embedding data links within the shell. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Because Msrtedit library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scannow command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Msrtedit library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Msrtedit library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Msrtedit library guidance. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Msrtedit library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.